Is your phone constantly showing storage almost full, even after deleting apps, photos and videos? Let me tell you the real reason, see, and how to fix it once and for all. First, let's talk about the hidden space hogs. Cache files, apps like Instagram, YouTube, and Chrome save temporary files that build up over time. Duplicate media. WhatsApp is a big culprit. Every time someone sends you a video, it's saved twice in WhatsApp and in your gallery. System data, your phone reserves 515 GB just for system files, which you can't even access. And then there's invisible junk, corrupted files, failed downloads, and leftover app data silently eating up your storage. Now, here's what you can do about it. Tip 1. Clear cache. Go to Settings, then Storage, find cached data, and hit Clear. Or use apps like Files by Google to clean junk safely. Tip 2. Media management. Back up old photos to Google Photos or iCloud and delete them from device storage. Use the Free Up Space option in the Photos app to remove items that are already backed up. Delete WhatsApp media from within the app. Go to Settings, then Storage and Data, then Manage Storage. Tip 3. App check. Uninstall apps you haven't used in over 30 days. Some games take 1-2 GB even if you never open them. Also, avoid using two versions of apps like Facebook and Facebook Lite. Final bonus tip. Use an SD card if your phone supports it. Move media files and downloads there to free up internal memory. Now you know why your phone keeps running out of space. Hit like if this helped and tell me in the comments, how much free storage do you have right now?